Got a John Deere here. Got the steering linkage doesn't work, and you can see underneath the tractor the gear right here is wore. Take a 19mm socket, impact gun, take this off. I already did mine, already loose. Then you take a piece of wood, take the bolt out there, piece of wood there, and then you hit a big hammer on the piece of wood, and it drives the shaft in, and which I already did on mine, and as you can see, it's almost out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld what's wore and grind it nice and smooth, and it won't cost me anything. Yeah, I got the gear off. You see it's wore. I'm going to put a bead of weld on either side of these, build it up, and then I'll take the mini grinder and grind it nice and smooth. And the cheap way of fixing it. There you go, I just finished welding up the gear. I'm going to take the mini grinder to it and see what it's going to look like. Might have to touch it up a few times. There's the gear. I put the mini grinder to it and file. Touched it up with the file. It looks pretty good. I might have to touch one or two, but took me about 20 minutes to total. It's a cheap way of fixing it. Put it back in, and there you go. I took the steering plate off because I had a couple teeth that were wore, and I just touched them up with the welder and grind them down a little bit, and it looks good. I'm going to put it back together. I got the plate there ready to go back. These steering rods, I think it takes a 15mm wrench, and here is a 15 also. Oh, it's 17 on top, 15 on the bottom. Tighten them down, and then you're gonna put up your pivot bolt here, right here. There's a little tiny washer here. Goes in there. I'll put a little bit of grease in there. Then you put it right on top there. Here. That, and then you have another bolt here that goes in here, right through here to the hole over here, and that is a 15 and a 13. 15 and a 13. Anyway, got it all back together. Yep, it's working fine. Flowers and no money. Just time. Hope you like this video. Press thumbs up if you liked it.